Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it's Tuesday, April 14th. Welcome to our Facebook Live morning assembly. 1 month ago yesterday was our last day that we were all together at Achieve at school. Can you believe that? We've already been doing this for a month. I can't hardly believe that. I hope you guys all had a great spring break. I know we had a lot of fun. We were able to get out and enjoy the sunshine a little bit. And I hope you were able to do some of that too, and also have a little bit of downtime where we weren't having to work and do school every day. Well, I'm glad we're back at school this week, and I think I have a great virtue that's going to inspire us to work hard this week and set the tone for the rest of our school year. I see some people hopping on. Good morning, Ralstons. Hi, Teeters. Hi, Hoosas. Hey, Mrs. Galea, how are you? Mrs. Galea that just popped on is the one that makes those super surprises for us. Hi, Lottas. Hi, Mrs. Parrott. Hi, Mrs. Kurtz. Hey, Nikaya and Azariah, good morning. Hi, Brooks boys. Hi, Madeline and Delilah. Hi, DeFreitas girls, how are you? Hey, let's go ahead and get started here. Please stand at attention with me. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hey, I see some more people popped on and saying good morning. Hi, Marshall and Caden. Good morning, Mrs. Etchison. Hi, Presley. Hey, so like I was saying at the start here before a bunch of people jumped on, it is Tuesday, April 14th. We have been doing this for almost a month right now. Yesterday marked the 1 month from when we were all last together at Achieve. Can you believe that? So we're kind of getting in a groove now. Things are doing okay. I kind of anticipate some good changes this week. I hope that you see some positive changes at home while you're working this week, and you'll see yourself not really trying to figure out your routine so much as just getting stuff done. And our virtue this week definitely goes with getting stuff done. Before we jump into our virtue, we do have a birthday today. Cameron L., it's your birthday. If you see Cameron today or talk to him online, wish him a happy birthday. Our virtue this week is diligence. So diligence, like I said, we have a good virtue this week for getting stuff done. Diligence, here's the definition. Diligence is working hard and doing the best job you possibly can. When you are diligent, you take special care to do things step by step. You think and move carefully to make sure things will turn out right. Being diligent is being industrious, giving all you have to give to whatever you do. Shout out right now to our staff. You guys just flooded my inbox yesterday and today with this week's work and tools for our students this week. Nice job, staff. Way to lead the push with diligence. I like this virtue. It's a cool virtue because it can help you accomplish any goal that you have because you're going to work hard towards it. And you're going to take the right steps to actually meet that goal. The other cool thing about this virtue is that it is actually a marketable skill. So we talk a lot at Achieve about careers and jobs and what you're going to do when you grow up and how you're going to be successful. And diligence is one of those things that is definitely going to just set you apart right from the start. If you're working harder than everyone else, your boss is definitely going to notice. Also, if you're doing things that go with diligence, like follow through, completing the things you started, your boss is definitely going to notice those things. So diligence is pretty cool. It's going to help you accomplish your goals right now. Any goal that you're working on right now, you can apply diligence to that goal. Your school goals, sports goals, learning a musical instrument, diligence is going to help you with all of those. And it's going to help you later in life when you have a job. So parents and students, but this one's a little bit of info for parents. We have a 4-day week right now. So this is a great chance to set the tone for the rest of the school year. So here's what I mean by that. And when you're at school on 4-day week, teachers know that these students are ready to push hard and they're going to cram a lot into this week. This weekend's going to come really soon. The positive thing about that is any big, high, lofty goals you have this week, the really hard stuff like, you know what, I just want to nail this distance learning thing this week, you only have to do it for 4 days. Okay? You can sustain that for 4 days. If you sustain that for 4 days, you will be able to carry that hopefully through the end of the school year. We have 8 weeks of school left. I know that sounds kind of daunting. That sounds like a lot. I'm sure that towards the end there, we're going to figure out ways to do all of our normal end of the year fun stuff. So don't think that we're going to have 8 solid weeks of just a huge academic push. But I do want to encourage you this week to push hard for 4 days. One way to build diligence is you got to build stamina, right? So push your kids this week. If you set a goal, make sure they follow through. Take into account that step-by-step part of diligence. Make your plan, make your little steps, and then make it happen. Students, I want to start hearing about how you're showing diligence this week. If you do something awesome, if you're working hard, if you do any part of the diligence virtue, like working hard, doing the best you can, take special care to do things step by step, anything you're working on carefully to make sure it turns out right, make sure that your parents put a comment or email me about what you did so I can read those out on Friday for our Virtue Awards. I hope you guys have a great week. Be diligent. If you need anything, let me know. I love you guys. Have a great week.